Okay guys, I just had to call the fire department. There's a tree on fire in my neighbor's backyard. Scott saw it and started to put it out with the hose. The fire department just got here. I just had to meet them, so let's go check on it. Whew, Scott! Scott came out here to check on everything and the tree was on fire. So I had to run next door and let the neighbor know. I guess it's not technically in Karen's yard, is it? But it's right there, yeah. I know. Whew. I think you did a good job with the hose. I think it would have gotten a lot worse.
You guys can come to this side too if you need to come over here. What's that, Mom? You guys can come to this side if you need to. This side. Watch yourself over there. Okay. Yeah, that tree's pretty big.
Ooh, I'm so worried about that limb coming over. I'm worried about that limb, the way it's split, Scott.
Yeah, I know.
Ugh. They came so fast.
Yeah.
It was like 2 minutes.
Yeah, it was great.
Can came to the door. I was like, "There's a tree on fire in your backyard, but the fire department's already coming." She was like, "What?" Talk about a first responder, babe. You were on top of it.
Yeah, I tried to be. It was like putting a Band-Aid on a bullet hole.
Truly, with that little hose. But I mean, it at least helped it from
Suppress it a little bit.
not spreading so fast.
Right.
Well, wow. What an evening. I know, I am too.
Our pool's right here.
I
Everything.
know. It's scary to think, like, you know, all the wildfires that have been going around everywhere, like how just that one tree being on fire was so scary.
Yeah. I'm just worried because it's so dead now.
I mean, it's split down the middle where it
Yeah.
was dead. Like it's
right, and it was burning down like that.
Yep. That tree has got to go. All right, I'm gonna get away from the tree. I'll go this way. There you can see the fire trucks over the fence there. See a different angle. Oh wow, yeah, it's still smoking. See that? It's smoking. Come over here. Come over here and look at it. The smoke billowing out of it.
It's gonna hit all of the corner of our house, this fence, her shed,
I know.
our pool possibly.
think we should watch from way over here, maybe.
She gonna talk to me.
All right, yeah.